Hey guys, this is Utorrent and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to download movies from Utorrent. And first of all, you should have to open the Google Chrome, then download the torrent software. Type here torrent, then we'll find this Utorrent bit client. Then we should download it. We can download the classic one and the latest one. I'm going to show you by the latest one. So we have here installer. It depends upon your internet speed, how much time it takes. After downloading it, we have to install it in our computer. So I'm going to install it. Yes, then installation is going on. Next, and next. Uncheck next. It is installing. And finish. So we have installed the Utorrent, power of Utorrent website. I am ready. Click on I am ready. You should have to add the extension in the Google Chrome. Add extension. Then we can now successfully use Utorrent Web, the new series. So the next, download, add unlimited free VPN to your internet browser, so you can jump out the VPN, virtual private network, so all the website will be open for you. And add here, I have already added. So after this turn on the whole VPN. Select any country, then type google.com. so torrents u2eu. This is the search engine. In the search bar you have to type the movie name you want to download. So I'm typing, so click on the list. So we have the list of torrent files, so I'm going to download this one, the second one. So click on the magnet download. So it will open the Utorrent web. The tab will be open. So make it default. So your download is here. The movie is downloading. It depends upon your internet speed. And here is the movie you want to download. It's downloading. And click on the folder. And here, in the new feature of Utorrent, you can watch the movie you are downloading and continue download, as well as watch the movie. So enjoy your day. If you like this video, hit like, and for upcoming videos, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. This is Utorrent. Stay tuned.